Today we are going to discuss environmental pollution by Gireesh J, which serves as an introduction. So it is a chapter in Unit 3. So it gives an outlook of what is environmental pollution, what causes environmental pollutions, how human interactions or interventions in environment cause pollution, and so on. So environmental pollution can be defined as the harmful addition of any solid, liquid or gaseous substance or any form of energy like heat, sound, light or radioactive elements to the environment. All kinds of pollution actually adversely affect the environment and pose a serious challenge or threat to the sustenance of life on our planet. Any undesirable substance or form of energy which damages the balance of the environment and adversely affects or damages the quality of life on earth is called a pollutant. So whatever that is undesirable and causes a threat to the quality of life on earth is considered as a pollutant. It damages the balance of environment and it adversely affects the quality of life on earth. Pollutants are classified into two major categories like natural and man-made. So pollutants are either natural or man-made and are classified from an ecological perspective into three categories. So from an ecological perspective, these three categories are degradable, slowly degradable and non-degradable. So for degradable, examples are sewage pollutants. Then the pollutants that are slowly degradable are DDT and others. Then pollutants like toxic elements such as mercury, lead and so on are non-degradable in nature. So major kinds of pollution are air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. So air pollution, water pollution and land pollution are considered as the major kinds of pollution that affects and degrades the quality of our environment. Now let's look at in detail what creates air pollution. So air pollution is caused by the release of small particles and gases into atmosphere, and it results in environmental disasters like acid rain and greenhouse effect. Acid rain and greenhouse effect. Every year in India, actually 1.6 million people die due to air pollution. This is a huge number and is basically caused by one of the major kinds of pollutions, that is air pollution. Water pollution actually refers to the release of chemicals, microorganisms or forms of energy into water bodies, and this kind of a release of chemicals and other particles in water bodies results in water-based ecosystems under threat, and it contaminates the water bodies, and the consumption of such contaminated water results in fatal diseases like cholera, diarrhea and hepatitis. Thus, it is actually water pollution that threatens the ecosystem that survives or relies water bodies, and it also